So what you doing, Angie?
So I am making a salt-free spice blend, a Cajun spice blend, because Trevor's gonna make some burritos. And the seasoning packs that you get at the store, the yellow seasoning packs, have so much salt in them. You have your day's worth of salt in one of those seasoning packs. So I've got a blend of spices that I've just run out of, so I'm mixing a new one to make sure that I've got it ready for when I need it, so that I can use this Cajun spice blend. I can use this if I were making soup, or when I'm making tacos or burritos, or if I'm making like a casserole and I want it to be just a little different or a little zippy. It's very much the flavor of a taco seasoning. If I want to make it extra spicy, I decide that based on what I like. So this is a base recipe, and then you can add red chili flakes if you want to make it more spicy, or instead of having just plain chili powder, you can have some chipotle chili powder to make it a little smoky and spicy and delicious. So you can make it individual at the same time as still having it really tasty and salt-free. So there's ways that you can make stuff taste better without adding a bunch of salt. And I have these just already pre-mixed, ready to go in my spice cupboard. The cheapest way to do spices, these spices are very inexpensive. These containers were 10 for $1, and I get the spices at the bulk barn. And that makes it so I spend much less than half. A jar of spice, where's the little jars?
That smells good.
Oh yeah. The little jars that you get at the store can cost between $4 and $7. If I make this, I can get, you know, this batch of oregano I got at the bulk barn. This would cost me the change in my couch. It would cost me like 25-35 cents for that much oregano. So you really are paying for the jar at that moment. And I share my recipes. Trevor, you want this a little spicy?
Sure, why not? Give it a little zip.
A little zip. I'm going to put a little bit of chipotle in there, so we got a little smoke. Chipotle powder is one of the more expensive ones at the bulk barn. You will pay a little extra for that, but it's totally worth it, and you don't use very much. And we'll add a pinch, a generous pinch of red chili flakes. And then I label this Cajun spice mix, and I can use that for tacos or whatever.
Excellent. I'm getting hungry.